I don't know if you can see these or not, but these are the prices of this. Maybe you'll see them if I stand in the way. So there's my big fat shadow there. Let's go in here and see what they've got. If I don't fall and break my neck. Beautiful ferns. This one's a little bit empty where it's usually full. Now I've got a wandering Jew at the house that Marlene gave me. And I actually kept it alive during the winter. I didn't think I would, but I did. Okay, let's go back out here and see what they've got. Oh, watch that first step, it's a killer. And Pratt do have their own YouTube channel, and I will put a link in the description to their YouTube channel. And I've got to remember to get some sage where I pulled all mine up. Kind of herbs, lemongrass. I planted some lemongrass last year, but it's not wanting to come back up. I don't know what I've done wrong. Tomato plants way back there. They're beautiful. And I do want to plant a lot more flowers than I did last year. Try to draw some bees in. Some more vegetable plants in here. All kinds of peppers. Try not to get anybody's face on camera here. That's all right. I'm not getting your own.
I was working. I was coming out of the house.
That's all right.
Somebody.
That's all right. We all do once in a while. Okay, let's go over to this one. Looks like this one's all flowers. English ivy. No, this one's not all flowers either. Should I dare cheat and get tomato plants this big? Got all kinds of flowers back. Let's see if I can't zoom in a little bit. Let you see what I can see. I hope the lighting is okay, because I just really can't see. The sun is absolutely shining. Whoa, way too close. I can't see hardly a thing that I'm taping. But anyhow, nope, wrong way. Like Dana says, wrong way to runway. Watch that step there. Oh, I'm not. No, they do their own videos. I've got my own YouTube channel. That's what I'm doing it for.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I know. Kim does it usually. Not Kim. Shoot, what's his name? Ed. Isn't it Ed? Bill? I don't know.
Ed, Bill?
Yeah, Kim is from Kim's in Milton. That's who I'm thinking about.
Oh, gosh, I see what I've been looking for.
Well, good for you. I want to take you out here. I hope it's still filming. I think it is. I can't see any lights because it's too sunny out here. Looks like they got rid of their horse. I see a donkey or mule or something here, but last time I came out here they had a horse and some goats. And you know how my daughter is about her goats. There's some chickens and a rooster right there. Well, I do see a little goat right here. Y'all probably can't see it yet. Well, hello there, baby. Hello. See him right there? It's pretty. Looks like he's about ready to, or she is about ready to have a big one, or a baby. And there's another one right in there. I think it's just plain hot out here for them. I don't know what the regular temperature is here, but there's another one out there behind that one, but I can't see but just the head. But anyhow, my van said it was 91 on the way out here. I don't know if it's correct or not. Oh, forgot about this little feller, not little feller, big feller being out here. Let's see if I can zoom in on him. You see him out there? It's a big old turtle. And there's a pony, if I can find it. There it is, way out there. It's just so peaceful out here on the creek. We all know that from John's videos. I think I'm about done filming for now. I will finish this video when I get home, and let's see what I got. So we will talk to y'all later. I'm back home, everybody. Like I said, I left my van running so I wouldn't have to worry about it starting. But anyhow, just unloaded the van, and here is what I got. It's not a lot right now, but I told him I would be back out in a couple of weeks to get some more. But they're just open until the end of May, so I need to make up my mind what else I need. Oh my gosh, they had so much to decide from. Let me go down my list and show you what I got. And this thing, it's some kind of a flower, and I'm not sure what it was, but it came up from last year, so we'll have to wait and see what grows out of it. So I got 3 lavender. They're right there in the middle. And I got the last mosquito plant. I've been looking for those. I've never raised them, but we're going to give it a shot. And I got over there on the end is 4 Marketmore cucumbers. I've never done any good with cucumbers here, but I haven't learned my lesson. I just keep trying. I got 2 sage plants right there. And over there on the end is, right there, is a patio tomato. And I'll have to make up my mind. I really got that from my friend that lives in the high-rise, but we'll see. She wanted Mr. Stripey's. I did get, let's see, 4 California, if I spit it out here, 4 California Wonder green peppers, 4 cayenne peppers, 4 Big Bertha, and it shows red and green both on the tag, so I assume that if you leave them out long enough that they will be, or turn I mean red. And I forgot what kind of tomato plants I got. Rutgers and Mr. Stripey and there it is down in there. Oh, pineapples. I grew pineapples a few years ago, and I did keep some seeds, but they were old. And when I cleaned my seeds out to this year, I went ahead and threw them away because they were so old. I didn't think that they would germinate anyhow. And I came out here to a shock. Let me show you this. Look at the comfrey. That is amazing. It has come out of it so good, and I was worried that they wouldn't make it through the winter. I might have to, I think they'll be good. I was going to say I might have to kind of divide them or thin them out a little bit, but I think they'll be okay. And I'll have to take these little beds here, not beds, planters, and put some stuff in it. And those flowers came up from last year. I need to do something. That was a trash can. I'll need to do something about that. So anyhow, I just thought I'd show you what I got. And Ed is the guy's name that owns it. Ed and Trina is the one that owns it. They both came out and talked to me. And J00, John, if you're watching this, or Mary watches it and tells you, your ears really should have been burning, because we were talking about you. All good stuff now. But anyhow, I just wanted to let everybody see what I got. And we'll talk to everybody later. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting me and my channel. So we'll talk to you next time. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye. Before I close this video out, I want to give River Mountain Homestead a shout out. They are trying to get over 1,000 subs, or at least to 1,000 subs. Anyhow, right now they are sitting at 981, and you can see it. Oh, right there. But anyhow, go over and check them out, and if you like their content, give them some love and subscribe to their channel. They have a great channel, and you can learn a lot. They're about ready to have some baby chicks here. I think they said Friday. They've got some puppies and all kinds of critters. But anyhow, just go over and check the channel out and see if we can't get them to 1,000 subs. More would be good, but you know how that goes. But anyhow, I appreciate it. Y'all go over and check them out, and I'll leave a link to their channel in the description. So we'll talk to y'all later. Take care. Bye.